Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn one more interesting concept of firing notification in mobile application like we have in Android or iOS mobile. For firing a notification, if we go for Java coding or we make coding in Kotlin, it's a tedious task and we have to make lots of code. But in React Native with the Typescript, we have overcome all the tedious tasks by just using a wonderful library called Notify. So we are going to use Notify library here to fire a notification at your local application. For that, just go for notify.app website and we have the installation mechanism like this. Simple, just copy this. If you are using Windows operating system, then npm you can use. If you are using Linux, then use yarn, or iOS you are using, then use the yarn to install it. Just copy, go to there, and already I am running this application, so I close this application here and copy paste this link and just start the installation. After just few minutes, installation will be ready and we have the application like that. In this application, so far I have only one button, so I will click on this button and notification will be fire. That we are going to implement. So far just I install this. Remember that you have to install the library, and after the version of React Native 0.60 plus, we have automatic linking with all the settings which is going to be required. Just now we have to start the application with the command React Native run Android. Just we start this and this application will run with all the automatic linking with the application. Now we have to making a coding. For that we go to this. So many things are available in this library. Just we are giving a small demo just to fire a notification. So they are saying that you need to create a button we have already created. Now we need to define a method. It's called on display notification, you see. So I need to copy this for firing this and just go to the coding, and you see that here we have the method also, we have the button also, touchable opacity, and this is going to be start. So far it running, and I just copy and paste here under this. This is push notification. Remember that we have a function on display notification. You can change the name also, like I say fire notification, you can change the name of this. And this is a normal function. You can create this function as a arrow function also. So we can say const fire notification like this equal to, and in place of this we have like this arrow. So we can use like this function const fire notification async arrow function we have. Now we have to import the library also. For that we need to import this Notify library. Just simple paste here, save this. Now this has gone. Now we have to modify it. So it will ask for the iOS application. If there is a iOS operating system, then it will ask for permission. In Android doesn't require permission. Now we have to create the ID for Android. Channel ID we require. By default we have a default one and default channel. So we can say here channel, we can say default one, and we can say channel one like this. We can modify this. Now we have a title. You can have some text field also to specify this. Here I say notification, so I say notice for example, and I say here this is local notice for you like this, or you can increase content whatever you want. It's just a dummy. Now we have the channel ID which we have created here, remember. Then it asking for the icon also. If you have a icon, so you may have a resource icon or you may pass some image also. So far we doesn't require this icon. We can take icon also, online image or some resources. In assets folder we may have some image and we can give the image here, but doesn't require for testing purpose. We are just firing a simple notification. Save this. You see that we have created this function. After saving, we have again application is open. Now we have a ID default 1 here, so we also change here default 1. Save this, and you see that we have the fire notification function is ready with notify asking for permission for iOS operating system, and we are creating a channel ID for Android operating system, name of the channel. Then we are having a notification display, the title is notice. Then we have a body of notice. We may pass a small image also, icon for also small or large image, so types of things, so many types of options are available, you can use if you want. So we have a press action. When we click on notification, then this ID is required. We have designed the layout. Now we have to just click and open this. For that we have a on press, and here I just fire notification, so I say fire notification. So this notification function we require here to pass here. So after clicking on this should fire a notification. So I click on this button, and you will see that one notice will fire on top of the, you see notice is coming on top of the screen. If you see this notice here, notice this is local notice for you. You click there, and we have the notice is gone. So click and notice is gone. So you see that easily, just by using this library, very easily we just fire a notification. Once again, you see when I click here, and you see that one notice will appear on top of the screen. If you drop down the screen, you see the here notice, this is local notice for you, the same message we have which we have given here. So like this way you can fire a notice here in your Android or iOS application. If you don't know, you can use this library. If you required and you don't know how to use it, I have explained you in this video how to use Notify. It's a very easy or very simple library that work on iOS or Android, both the platform. And you see it's very simple, just we copy paste the small fun function like this function from here, and just the function we just pass here on the button, we click and notice is fired. We have so many options here in this library. We can update the notification channel, we have a different channel, so we can create new channel also. We can cancel the notification if we have a notification ID. So we have notification ID like this. With the help of this we can cancel the notification also. We have an event also if you want to fire some events. So we have event also here, means on foreground what you want to see. If somebody click on your event, you want to use application or you want to do something else, at the background you want to do anything, everything we have here. You can fire a trigger also. So many options are available here, and if you go in the library, so many things are available. The, you can say the sound also, the behavior also, we have so many things, and you can integrate this with Firebase cloud messaging also. I will explain in next video how to integrate this Notify library with the Firebase cloud messaging services also. So you see that so many things are available in this library. You can read more documentation of this. So in this video I explain you how to fire local notification in Android application using React Native with Typescript. Next video I will also explain you how to integrate this notification with Firebase cloud messaging services and how to activate Firebase cloud messaging service. That's also I am going to explain in next videos. And I think you understand now what is notification, how to fire this. You may have some sound also. If you want to use sound also, just read more documentation, try to use this simple one, then modify some and add some images and link some sounds also with this settings and notification. You will have the sound also with your notification. Everything is possible by using this library. Whatever you want in your application, in professional applications also we use this Notify library for firing a notification. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.